If your Revit families keep breaking, you are missing the golden rules of parametric design. Today, we are unlocking parametric families the right way. If you skip these foundation steps, you will get errors definitely. Write these down. Always set your reference plans first. Add dimensions and assign parameters. Flex your framework before adding geometry. Lastly, I will show you how geometry that you need to adjust by following this order. Always do this order every single time and your model will never break again. Let's build your first error-free family right now. Let's start it now. In family section, we will click on new. We can see there are different types of template files we can use according to our need. There are a lot of template files, but we will use generic model now. Just open it. Here we will follow our order as I explained earlier. So first click on reference plan. Its short key is RP. Just click on here and write down here, one more here and click here. The same thing we will do here and one more here. Okay, now we will use the dimensions. Just click here now. The same thing here. Now you can see these dimensions are different from each other, but we have it's another opportunity. Just click on there and click on EQ for equality. Now the both reference plan have the same values, 3 feet and 11 inches as well 3 feet 11 inches. Okay, take overall size, it's 7 feet 10 inches here, and once again click on these dimensions and click on equality. Now we will take overall sizes of it for 6 feet and 4 inches. Click on modify. Now we will assign the parameter of both values, both sizes. Just click on this size and now click on this calculator icon and now create a parameter. There are different parameters types and instance parameter. When we use a formula, we will use instance parameter usually, and by default we use type parameter. So now we will assign a name like length and just click OK, and the same thing we will use here. Just click on the dimension and now click on this icon again and we will use width. Okay, now we will check this frame is it's working or not, or if it gives an error we will fix it. Just click on there and move the cursor, move the plan, and we can see it's changing the values and equality is same there. The same thing we will check here, the size meaning same. Suppose we will put 8 feet and 3 feet, make 4 feet like this. Okay, now just click on the family types button, click here, and if we will change the sizes here, it should change in the when we change the sizes, it will change the dimensions here. Just click on like 12 and this 7 feet. Now click on apply and see okay. This is the parametric values, parametric sizes we can see here. This is our first thing, and now we will use the front elevation. So we will choose an other plan, reference plan here. Okay, we will assign value, a size here. Just click on the size, click on parameter and give it name as height. Click OK. Okay. Here we will check it here. Its height is 6 feet. We will make it 5 feet. Apply. Okay. And we can see it's working perfect. Okay, we'll make a shape there. Just click on create and now we select extrusion. We will use the rectangle now. Just click here and click OK. Okay. Extrusion and with 1 feet, while we will assign the parameter a height is 5 feet. So let me see in a 3D view. So it's working or not? Absolutely, it's not working according to our parameters because our work is incomplete. Now we will move on front plan and you can see here it moved there. Okay, let's we change the values and see it's working or not. 6 feet, 10 feet and 5 feet. Like okay, it's working fine. No, it's not working fine. Why it's not working? This is the issue I want to show you. As I mentioned, I will show you in the video. Always remember, when we create a geometry, our sketch should be logged. If it's not logged with the value, we will see errors many times. So always should log your geometry with these reference plans. Okay, so we will move again here and we will just click on align, click here and again click and log this red block. Click here and click here again and just lock. Click here and click here again and just lock. Click here and click here, just lock. And the same thing we will do with front. Okay, click on the front and just drag it till the reference plane and lock it. Now every time we have locked, okay, so we will change the sizes again and see it is 3, it is 6, it is 4. Apply. Okay, and if we check everywhere it will work perfect. Now here we can see again Don't log the dimensions, but geometry with the reference plan always logged. Thank you for watching this video, and I will show you many new things in the coming video for parametric families.